Right, this Nocco Tango Light, I've had it apparently since 2019, so it's lasted a while, but it never has been brilliant in terms of the lifetime, especially. But now it's down to 226 milliamp hours, which is pathetic, and it lasts a matter of minutes really. So I've taken the back off. It turns out that it's got an 18650 in, which is what I was hoping. Unfortunately, or maybe not unfortunately, but it's the battery management chips are on a separate board. I thought it might be on the main board, but obviously not. So I need to transfer the new battery. I'm going to use this one, which is out of something, but I've measured this one at 2,579 milliamp hours, so 10 times better than the one that I'm taking out. So I just need to patch this in. So the positive end is this end. So I'll just strap that onto there. Should be fine. What could possibly go wrong? Just see if that works for a start. Right, that certainly seems to work on both lights, the big one and the small one. So I will patch this up, tape this up, and put it back together, and should be fine. Right, so back to normal. Hopefully, I'll see how long it lasts. Of course, I did break the handle a while ago. Fixed it with a bit of coat hanger, I think it is. But yeah, should last hopefully another 7 years. Yeah, the original battery in this Tango Nocco light was 2600 milliamp hours, 9.62 watt hours. So the one I've just put in is indeed pretty much the same. So it should restore the light to its original capacity. Fingers crossed. Thanks for watching.